It would be a criminal offense if I didn't show y'all today's outfit. While I go do the laundry. Cute. So cute. I don't think I ended the video the other day, so we're just gonna tack this on. This is the new top. I'm so glad I got it. I love it. One of my favorite brands, like vintage brands, is Save the Queen, or Save the Queens. I've been obsessed with them for many years now. Very much. Like, you see me going to do my laundry. Cunty. I'm feeling myself, I can't even lie. These shorts, I always feel myself until I don't feel myself, because then I feel like my ass is out. And then I'm like, oops, I'm in Japan with my ass out. Ooh, that's not the vibe, you know? Seems the only species alive this morning is men. So I'm feeling a wee uncomfortable with my short length. Honestly, it's not even like them judging or staring that makes me feel uncomfortable. It's just my own like thought of how my weight looks in shorts. The outfit is just elevated by 20 million by me adding this wig. I don't wear this one often, and I honestly forgot how comfortable it is. Like, the cap on it is just so nice. I think it's like a little bigger than most. I wasn't actually gonna plan on wearing a hat with it. Like, I think it looks fine with that one. It's a little poofy at the crown of the head, which to me is like a giveaway of a fake wig or fake hair. But this hat was calling my name to be a part of the vibe of today. I also texted, I haven't had this in a while, but I do have an eyebrow girl, and I haven't gone in a fat minute, so she's gonna be like, girl, these are overdue. And I'm gonna be like, yeah. I would actually really like an outfit picture today. I know I'm getting greedy. But like, come on, the outfit's outfitting. I also on these shoes just because they're a little more comfortable to walk in. And I think I might keep them. I don't know, I'll show you all in a minute. I feel like Harley goes with Queen, and I don't know what this brand of hat is. I think it's just random. This is random. My niece did a project for her Girl Scouts, and she did the Girl Scouts of Japan because she wanted to include talking about me living here, so that was really cutie patootie. And her mom was like, oh, like if you can send me pictures before this time, but sadly I was asleep when she sent that. Okay, they're both on cooldown. I thought I was here like a few minutes late and someone had been waiting or something, because that's the worst. I hate when I feel like people are waiting for me. I want to get a gym membership soon, so that's exciting. I feel like my muscles are getting weaker. I really like having toned arms and back. And then of course a plus is when my abs and stomach looks nice, but that's kind of harder for me. Over the years I just know that for whatever reason it's really hard for me to gain muscle and like tone up my stomach enough to where I really like it. It's only happened like twice in my life where I'm like, wow, my stomach looks nice. Getting muscles in my arms and my back always makes me feel so good about myself. What is your I want to fold some of these. We're going to talk a second. I did just realize how silly I'm going to look going home because I'm going to have two gigantic bags. To be honest, this is how I'm about to walk down the road. How silly do I look? Let's say 8 out of 10. Let's go. My friend brought me to this cafe. They were like, wait, if we're gonna go to a cafe randomly, we might as well go to like this pretty one. I was like, okay. They took me to the fanciest shit ever. I feel like my head was doing so good today. Like I wasn't feeling any pain. And then we got here and I was like, wait, I'm having a headache. I'm gonna like move it just a little off of my crown or my hair knot. Really good day. Long day, but good day. More than I thought it was gonna be, but fun. Basically, I didn't film it at the end. My friend had bought me lunch before, so this time I was like, oh, let me get dinner. And they were being weird about letting me buy dinner. And I was like, no, it's totally fine. It was because like the place we're at was a little fancier. It kind of was our only option because they're about to go to work and they work in that area. And so we wanted to eat in the area so they weren't late to work. To do that, we'd have to eat at one of the fancy places. I definitely don't look dressed for the fancy place. I have flowers because they were being weird about buying or letting me buy dinner. And I was like, no, it's really fine. Like, it's whatever. A flower place, I was like, oh, you can buy me flowers. And they're like, sure. And they're having like a little deal. So we got some very beautifully colored tulips. I'm excited about my flowers because Nana had gotten flowers and that's what I was putting in the Asahi sakura vase. I say vase. It's a tall boy turned into a vase, cut open. But they were dying, so now we have new flowers to put in my vase. So cute. Till they fully pass away, we'll let them sit right there in the other vase with the other ones. But the tulips are so cute. And I feel like you can really take a glance at my, oh my god, my little girl is like, bitch, hey. Jump scare, ah. No, but for real, girl, the, oh my god, I will never forget. Madeline, if you ever see this, I will never forget the day she was like, we're rocking the recession hair today. That came from me having like really grown out roots, like my brow. She was like, the recession hair is looking good. I was like, oh. We'll get that fixed soon. But thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna do the rest of my shift today and go to sleep once I'm done. So see y'all next time.